North Korea is a rogue state. It is very well known that even in terms of democracy, this is one such country where you can least expect democracy. Government has complete control over media, over social mobilization, किस तरीके के communications. In fact, even the haircut of the people is also controlled by the North Korean president. So we know, very well know, कि नॉर्थ कोरिया डेमोक्रेसी के नाम पे एब्सोल्यूट जीरो है और वेरी क्लोज टू एब्सोल्यूट जीरो. नॉर्थ कोरिया के दुश्मन भी बथेरे बैठे हुए हैं ऑल अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. Majority of the countries excepting Russia and China are not ready to align with North Korea. But there is some change that is ongoing in the Korean peninsula that we will be discussing in our video today that is expected to give us a kind of hope. ये एक उम्मीद जाग रही है that the tensions between North Korea and South Korea are expected to reduce. So what is exactly that is ongoing in the Korean peninsula and who is responsible for this? We will be delving into these details in today's video. Hello and welcome to Legacy IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to get a news update that is coming from North Korea, in which North Korea has tried to denounce and criticize. Denounce कहने का मतलब कि इन्होंने criticize किया है that South Korea getting engaged with any kind of military actions. For example, अभी recently South Korea is expected to go for a military exercise with USA. Now North Korea annually जब भी इस तरीके की military exercises होती हैं तो North Korea has denounced this every time. But there is something that is changing here. What is it? We will see in few minutes. Now, talking about what is the update that is coming from North Korea? North Korea has warned of reprisal. What do we mean by reprisal? Reprisal कहने का मतलब कि there can be retaliatory actions. It is expected that इस तरीके के जो military exercises South Korea और USA कर रही है close to the Korean waters, that can have retaliatory actions. In fact, North Korea has also stated that they reserve the right for self-defense. Self-defense अगर मान लेते हैं कि साउथ कोरिया और यूएस के मिलिट्री एंगेजमेंट्स में, मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस में देयर इज एनी काइंड ऑफ अटैक ऑन नॉर्थ कोरिया, सो देन द नॉर्थ कोरिया रिजर्व्स द राइट कि हमारे पास सेल्फ डिफेंस करने के लिए जो भी हमें करने की जरूरत पड़ेगी, दैट नॉर्थ कोरिया विल रेडीली बी डूइंग. दैट इज द स्टेटमेंट दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम नॉर्थ कोरियन डिफेंस मिनिस्टर. And that is all about the news. But ये जो statement आए हैं from the North Korean defense minister, this is slightly different from what comes from North Korea every year. As we discussed, ये जो military exercise है between South Korea and USA, this is an annual exercise. Around the month of July, August, this is an annual exercise. And every year North Korea has criticized this. But there is something that has changed this year. Before we delve into these details, we first need to understand कि actually North Korea को problem है क्या? What is its problem with South Korea? If we go back to the history of Korean Peninsula and the Korean War, the entire peninsula was largely controlled by Japan. But हमें पता है कि Second World War में Japan lost the war, and as a consequence to this, जो भी जापान की या जर्मनी की territories थी all across the world, that was largely divided between the four Axis powers, that is USSR, USA, France, as well as UK. सो जिस तरीके से जापान और जर्मनी की टेरिटरी अलग अलग कंट्रीज में डिवाइड हुई, तो वैसे ही पूरे की पूरी कोरियन पेनिनसुला की जो टेरिटरी थी, which was under the control of Japanese, this was also divided between North Korea. This was also divided between USSR controlled North Korea and USA controlled South Korea. ठीक है? अब USSR एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम के बाद इस जगह से वापस लौट गया एंड फॉलोड बाय यूएसए. एज सून एज दीज कंट्रीज गॉट बैक फ्रॉम दीज टेरिटरीज, मतलब ये सारे मिलिट्री ट्रूप्स, सोवियत के मिलिट्री ट्रूप्स नॉर्थ कोरिया में प्रेजेंट थे, अमेरिकन मिलिट्री ट्रूप्स साउथ कोरिया में प्रेजेंट थे. एज सून एज दीज कंट्रीज रिट्रीव्ड बैक, जैसे जैसे अपने मिलिट्री ट्रूप्स को वापस पुल बैक किए, तो नॉर्थ कोरिया एक्चुअली इन्वेडेड साउथ कोरिया. और इस तरीके का जो इन्वेजन हुआ, दैट लेड टू साइकिल्स, मतलब नॉर्थ कोरियन मिलिट्री ट्रूप्स entered up to South Korea and brought down the military to a very small region in the South Korean peninsula. फिर साउथ कोरिया का रिटेलिएशन हुआ, they got support from USA and they were able to push back the North Korean military troops back into the North Korean territory and up to the region of Manchuria. ये साउथ कोरियन मिलिट्री इन्हें पुश करते करते यहाँ तक पहुंचा दी थी. सो लार्जली दे वर अबाउट टू लूज इन द नॉर्थ कोरियन रीजन. फिर नॉर्थ कोरिया को चाइना से, यूएसएसआर से सपोर्ट मिला, एंड दे वर अगेन बी एबल टू सेंड द साउथ कोरियन ट्रूप्स बैक. तो इस तरीके का ऑसिलेशंस हुआ. दे वर बेसिकली ट्राइंग टू कॉन्कर द टेरिटरी. बट फाइनली यूनाइटेड नेशंस का इंटरवेंशन हुआ, एंड द जोन बिटवीन दीज टू, दैट इज नोन एज द 38th पैरेलल, दिस वाज डिक्लेयर्ड एज डीमिलिटराइज्ड जोन और द डीएमसी. इसके बाद वी हैड क्रिएशन ऑफ टू डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, one by the name of North Korea, the other one by the name of South Korea. जैसा जैसा इनका हिस्टोरिकल रिलेशनशिप रहा था, दैट एज अ कंसीक्वेंस ऑफ दैट ओनली नॉर्थ कोरिया का रिलेशनशिप आज तक रशिया के साथ अच्छा रह गया है, और साउथ कोरिया का रिलेशनशिप आज तक यूएसए के साथ अच्छा रह गया है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द चेंजेस दैट आर ऑनगोइंग इन द कोरियन पेनिनसुला. तो ये जो मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज चल रही है बिटवीन यूएस एंड साउथ कोरिया, ये शेड्यूल थी अगस्त 18 को. बट इसमें एक लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ द मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज को पोस्टपोन कर दिया गया. दैट इज बिकॉज द प्रेसिडेंट, द न्यूली इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट इन साउथ कोरिया, दे आर मच मोर लिबरल, एंड दे आर स्टेटिंग कि अगर नॉर्थ कोरिया को किसी भी तरीके की मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस से प्रॉब्लम है, देन वी विल पोस्टपोन दिस, एंड एज अ कंसीक्वेंस ऑफ दिस दे आर रेडी टू पोस्टपोन सम पार्ट ऑफ द मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेस आल्सो. Talking about the tensions that are easing between North Korea and South Korea, or largely the reason we understood is the new government of South Korea. पिछली गवर्नमेंट जो थी, साउथ कोरियन गवर्नमेंट, दे हैड सडनली इम्पोज्ड अ मिलिट्री रूल, एंड इनके बाद इस गवर्नमेंट को हटा दिया गया, एंड दे हैड अ डेमोक्रेटिकली इलेक्टेड गवर्नमेंट इन साउथ कोरिया एज ऑफ नाउ. So the new democratically elected government of South Korea, they are trying to reduce the tension between South Korea and North Korea. Not only this, they are also trying to reduce the tension between South Korea and Japan. Now South Korea और जापान का भी relations अच्छा नहीं रहा, because again going back to the history, the entire Korean peninsula was held by Japan. तो जापान की ये colony रह गई थी. So if we talk about the history, if the Koreans talk about their history, Japan was their colony. Japan was their I would say कि conqueror. जैसे हमारे मन में ब्रिटिशर्स के लिए रहा है जिस समय ब्रिटिशर्स were ruling India, so similarly Koreans still have that feeling of history in which Japan has tried to take away resources, take away money, और ट्रेड के टर्म्स में, पूरी इकोनॉमी के टर्म्स में कोरियन पेनिनसुला को वीक कर गया. सो फॉर दैट रीजन कोरियंस हैव नेवर फॉरगॉटन द जापानीज हिस्ट्री दैट जापान हैज रूल्ड द कोरियन पेनिनसुला. नाउ as we discussed कि जो newly elected government है South Korea की, this is trying to reduce the tensions between South Korea and North Korea, as well as South Korea between and Japan. Talking about what are the steps that this new government has taken, one we have understood कि एक major field exercise थी which they have postponed, और US और South Korea का military statement जो भी press briefing में आ रहा है, that is largely कि because we have poor weather conditions, so we are postponing this. But we, to some extent, we know the background to this, that the president is not ready to this because it may not be very much improving its relationship with North Korea. Now, talking about what other steps have been taken to reduce the tension between North Korea and South Korea, साउथ कोरिया के और नॉर्थ कोरिया के जो डीमिलिटराइज्ड जोन है along the 38th parallel, they used to set up loudspeakers, and through these loudspeakers they used to announce warnings. बार-बार नॉर्थ कोरिया साउथ कोरिया एक दूसरे को वार्न करते रहते थे. So once the newly elected government came to South Korea, तो उन्होंने ये लाउडस्पीकर्स हटा दिए. As a consequence to this, North Korea was also able to remove these loudspeakers from the borders. So that has eased the tensions between North Korea and South Korea in the peninsula. And one more step कि ये जो denouncement रहा है या criticism रहा है या the act of reprisal रहा है या the statements that we have the right to self defense, ये statement भी एक तरीके का tone down statement है. इससे पहले अगर आप नॉर्थ कोरिया का statements देखोगे, the kind of statements, the kind of retaliations North Korea has done when South Korea has practiced any kind of military exercises with USA, with Australia, or for that matter any other country, तो जो नॉर्थ कोरिया का retaliatory statements रहा है, that has been very harsh and very rude. As compared to that, they have also toned down their criticism coming for South Korea carrying out military exercise with USA. Now, talking about this fact कि साउथ कोरिया ने जापान के साथ रिलेशंस इंप्रूव करने के लिए क्या-क्या स्टेप्स लिए हैं. So as we have discussed कि जो न्यू प्रेसिडेंट है ली जे मुंग, he has stated कि they will be trying to improve their relationship with Japan as well as with North Korea as well. They will pursue talks with North. नाउ जापान के साथ अपना रिलेशनशिप इंप्रूव करने के लिए क्या उन्होंने स्टेटमेंट्स क्या दिए हैं? They have also stated that we have not forgotten our history. So we do remember that Japan has invaded. साउथ कोरिया और जापान के बीच में सिर्फ यही प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. देयर इज वन मोर प्रॉब्लम दैट दे हैव अ डिस्प्यूटेड आइलैंड कॉल्ड ताकेशिमा. Between South Korea and Japan, there is a disputed island called Takeshima. And once the newly elected government of South Korea came to power, they had stated that we will try to resolve the territorial dispute and we will try to resolve the historical dispute as well. That states that they have not forgotten history, but they will try to resolve these problems. They are trying to tone down, they are trying to reduce the tensions that South Korea has with whatever neighbors they have. Now, with that, we come to the end of this topic. If you have any doubt, please do let us know in the comment section below. Thank you so much and all the very best.